So this seems L bracket. So in this L bracket the 3 mm is there. So this total length outer seems 23 and outer also 23 for this side. Otherwise the 3 mm will not be allocated, and this chamfer seems to be 5 mm. Both the sides is 50, both the faces is 50, and the width is 20 mm. So using solid edge I am using sketch now, and using this front plane I am sketching, already giving 3 mm, and I am sketching just this outer layer. I am sketching. After sketching this, I am going to give the dimensions 3 mm, 3 mm, and inside will be 20 and outside inside will be 20. So already it will take us 23 and 23. Okay, it's done. So let's return it and finish it. After finishing it, select protrusion, select from sketch and select this, and in key 2 and expanding 20 is the total width, and finishing it. Then use chamfer and select this edge, set back as 5 mm is finished, and using cutouts, this is a cutout, and using circle midpoint and 5 mm dia, and return it, finish, again give cutout here, here a circle is there, midpoint 5 mm, return it, finish it. So the model is done. That's it.